Hi, this is Brian with TCS, and in today's video we're going to show you how to use a remote sensor with the UbiquiSTAT.
To start with, any remote room sensor, whether it is a single zone sensor or a zone averaging kit, will be terminated on the T1 terminal block of the UbiquiSTAT. This is the same wiring and same terminal block used on the older SZ model thermostats.
But instead of using dip switches like we did on the older SZ model thermostats, to set up the remote sensor we use programming screens.
From the main home screen, press Settings and then enter the 4-digit access code as needed. Press Advanced, then Room Temp Source. If using a remote sensor instead of the built-in sensor, select Remote, then press Save. If the UbiquiSTAT is mounted in the zone, you can also average between the internal sensor and the remote sensor. Once average is selected, you can weight the internal and remote sensor to give more or less influence on the average temperature. Once you are done, press Save.
Since remote sensors can have resistance due to the additional wire, calibration of those remote sensors may be required.
To do this, first take a reading at the sensor location using a meter which measures the air temperature, not the surface temperature. Next, return to the stat and press Settings, enter the access code, then Advanced, then Temp Calibration. Choose the sensor you want to calibrate and then raise or lower the temperature to match your meter. The screen will show the uncalibrated temperature as well as the amount that it was offset. Once complete, press Save, then press the Home button.
And if you have any additional questions, call our tech support at 800-288-9383, extension 2.